If you're in pharma, you can't miss this. Tara Dougal spills the beans on CPHI Milan 2024 in this exclusive interview with World Pharma Today. Tara Dougal, Brand and Content Director for Pharma at Informa Markets, shares exclusive insights on cutting-edge trends and initiatives shaping the industry, from groundbreaking innovations to strategic partnerships. Catch all the highlights and more in this interview.
Everyone, I'm today with Tara, a person who don't needs basically any introduction in CPHI. She has the communication for CPHI. Today, we're talking from CPHI Milan. So Tara, how is it going now?
It's been an amazing edition of the show. We've welcomed thousands of attendees over the past few days. And even a little bit of bad weather in Milan hasn't put a dampener on anyone's spirits. We've had incredibly busy exhibition stands. We've had busy theatres, some great content, some great speakers. And I've noticed people really enjoying a lot of the interactive and fun elements that we've had at the show this year, like our networking hours, happy hours. So yeah, it feels like it's been a really great edition.
Wonderful. I see that you've also introduced something called CPHI Celebrations as into this year's campaign, right?
Exactly.
So if you want to tell something about it, how did that idea click in?
Yeah, so CPHI Celebration, the concept behind it was that we really wanted to create an exciting networking event. We wanted to celebrate being back at CPHI on the first night of the show. So the anchor of CPHI Celebration is the CPHI Pharma Awards. We've got 14 trophies this year to very accomplished and very deserving winners. And then we had the opportunity for all of the attendees to network, to relax after a long day at the show and really meet with their peers and meet new partners in a very informal setting.
Well, CPHI is coming up with one or another idea all the time. So if I have to ask you, what were the key trends this year you saw at CPHI Milan taking shape?
Well, we have 5 content theatres across the show floor this year. So there's a lot of content and there's a lot of information coming out of the show. Some of the trends that we do see coming up consistently are around AI, manufacturing automation, advanced technologies around manufacturing. Also, sustainability continues to be a huge topic for us. We actually had a whole theatre dedicated to it this year. So yeah, sustainability continues to be very top of mind for our exhibitors and our attendees.
Well, CPHI is a name which is across the globe, and recently you've added a Middle East edition as well to CPHI, right? So how about it? Like, what is the objective behind it, and what's the driving force you see in the Middle East market?
So we're hugely excited about our CPHI Middle East event, which is taking place 10th to the 12th of December in Saudi Arabia. We see the Saudi market as a huge opportunity for international pharma. It is booming with a huge population. We're especially going to be talking about manufacturing localization at the show and how that can grow and how international pharma can play a part in the role of Saudi's future in pharma.
Well, we started talking about, you was talking something about the networking options, which has taken place in CPHI, right?
Yeah.
So you have a networking initiative which launched a day back. So if you want to enlighten something about that as well, please.
Yeah, so we've recently launched, actually today, our CPHI mentorship program. So we often talk about diversity, about women in pharma, how we can advance women into senior positions. And something that comes up consistently in those conversations is the need for mentorship. So we have an incredible initiative by our marketing team, whereby we're appealing for mentors and mentees. And the program is looking to connect them, essentially. So we're hoping that this will be an amazing springboard for pushing women ahead in pharma, putting them to the forefront. So super excited to be launching that today.
Wonderful. You know, the best thing what I liked about when I was there's a startup section.
Yes.
Yeah. That's something like the startup are right in between the giants. So like you said, the mentors is very helpful for them as well.
Absolutely. I mean, Hub was a new initiative that we launched last year at CPHI Barcelona. We had 40 stands. This year we have 89. And as you mentioned, you've seen it on the show floor. Every time I go past, it's buzzy. People are talking, people are interacting. We see the startups as a really valuable segment for CPHI. We know that internal R&D spend is declining somewhat, and that a lot of exhibitors or pharma partners are looking to buy in innovation. So we hope that this zone will be a really inspirational piece for both our exhibitors and our attendees to see what's coming out of pharma.
Well, I think CPHI is not leaving anything, starting from its geographical reach to its reach from a startup to the biggest players in the industry. So we wish you all the best with that.
Thank you.
And hopefully see you in.
See you in Frankfurt. Thank you so much.
Thank you.